My name is Imelda Shirley Navar, representing Peacekeeper.
And of course, ladies and gentlemen, next candidate number 3.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Irene Moneno, representing Zone 7.
Next, we have candidate number 4.
Good evening, nation, everyone. This is Annalisa Balang standing for Asa Arco. Good evening, everyone. Mary Ann Rongap, representing from Zone 2.
Thank you so much, candidate number 5. Let's proceed to candidate number 6.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Sharon C. Purisima. I'm 34 years old, representing Zone 3.
Thank you so much. Next, we have candidate number 7.
Good evening. My name is Marilu Pagkasina, representing Zone 1.
Next, in line, we have candidate number 8.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Loresa Fernandez, representing Bukal Organization Zone 6.
And of course, ladies and gentlemen, the last but never be the least, candidate number 9.
A pleasant evening to each and everyone. I am Angeline Reliora, 24, representing Zone 5. At nag-iiwan ng kasabihan na pangit man ako sa inyong paningin, pero sa akin pa rin kayo nakatingin. And I thank you.